Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to fillet. So as example, you can draw rectangle objects with the dimension. I will set 20 and 20, click to apply. Now if you want to fillet like at this corner, you can type fillet, press enter, and then type R to set for the radius. I will set into 5, press enter. Now you can click in this two line corner to fillet with radius 5. So I will fillet again in this corner with radius 10. You can type fillet, press enter, type R, enter again, and then set into 10 points for radius, press enter. You can click on the line of corner. Okay, that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial how to fillet.